Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Navarre Beach Fishing Pier, a beautiful spot in Navarre, Florida. This charming location is known for its stunning views and rich history. The pier stretches out into the Gulf of Mexico, offering visitors a perfect place to enjoy fishing, take a leisurely walk, or simply soak in the natural beauty of the area. Navarre Beach is part of Santa Rosa County and is situated between the popular destinations of Pensacola and Fort Walton Beach. The area is known for its pristine, white sandy beaches and clear emerald waters, making it a favorite for both locals and tourists. The beach is part of the Gulf Islands National Seashore, which is a protected area known for its diverse wildlife and beautiful landscapes. The Navarre Beach Fishing Pier itself has a fascinating history. It was originally built in the 1970s and has since become a beloved landmark in the community. Over the years, it has been a gathering place for families, friends, and fishing enthusiasts. The pier is one of the longest in the area, measuring over 1,500 feet, and it provides a unique vantage point to observe the stunning sunsets and marine life. Whether you're here to fish, swim, or just relax, Navarre Beach Fishing Pier offers a peaceful and picturesque setting. Thanks for watching!